My youth, just go. Me, doctor, lawyer, scientist, and teacher. And me can't even read neither.
How will you say name?
Yeah, Jebbe.
Oh, well, you start?
You think the Patu can say a day?
Mm.
Patu can say a day.
You can say it?
But a hawk make him not come out again.
Why no afraid of Hawk?
Hawk and Patu was his best friend, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, but Hawk friend Patu because Patu better than Hawk, you know.
Okay, participate.
Hawk can see, Patu can see a day
And night.
plus a night. Hawk only can see a night, a day only.
Hawk can't say a night.
Hawk can see a night. But Patu can see a day and he can see a night. That's what Patu take and beat Hawk.
Okay.
So Patu used to hunt for Hawk at night time, you know. Because when he get hungry in the night, Patu used to carry food to give him in the night. But Hawk is a warrior. Patu don't like fighting, you know. Patu a peaceful boy, you know. So one day, you know, Hawk left him picking them in a yard. And Patu picking him go over there. And go carry Hawk picking him come over for the yard. So when the evening come now, rain start fall. When the carry back Hawk picking him now, rain start fall and then left Hawk picking him in the road. And turn back. So when Hawk come in the evening now before dark, you know, see him picking him and him walk around for picking him. So he couldn't say, wait, one are there so. He say, Papa to picking him can take me carry and the rain catch you and then go and left you. In the morning, I go over Patu and I say, Patu, let me tell you this. As long as you rat is living now, if you catch you later, you're dead, you know. You pick the come from country to come pick you and make rain wet him up. So Patu said, me no have to come out that day again. Me no have to come out that day again. So Patu does this I said, because Patu no like fight. But Hawk a warrior. So Hawk go my yard and Hawk tell him say, you see as long as you are you picking the live, anyway me catch you no dead. But Patu said, me can't beat you. Because me no have to come out a day anyway.
Like, you can hunt tonight, see?
Yeah, me hunt tonight.
You know say them bird they class sharp though. All the same part today.
Yeah, yeah. It's cooked. It have a hook.
Yeah man,
Really and truly.
sharp like wow.
Yeah.
So Hawk and Patu
What about
broke up friendship from that time.
I saw your friendship done.
That's where friendship done.